Hello all, wish you a happy new year. I welcome you all to the first video of my first YouTube channel, Freedom from Formula. To introduce about myself, I am Siddharth, a software engineer who's currently working and residing in Canada. Before we start with the discussion topic for today, I would like to give the background, exact reason, and objective behind starting this YouTube channel. The main subject that we will focus here is quantitative aptitude education. In order to convey how much aptitude plays a key role, especially in India, let me give you a simple stat. For the past 25 years, every year on an average, close to 15 to 25 million people attend competitive exams across various exam categories. I was able to arrive with this rough number by doing some research in AI tools. In terms of preparing for these exams, the most common and recommended approach majority of the aspirants follow in universities, coaching centers, and even self studies is a formula based approach. When I say formula based, like for each of the aptitude topic, they follow a set of formula and guidelines. With the help of that, they try to solve the problems. But our goal is, what if there is a way to solve all these problems without using any formulas, by applying basic simple mathematical skills, making some smart guesses, and more importantly, understanding the concept behind each topic and the question being asked. With that said, let's jump right away into the first question. As you could see in the screen, so this question is under topic percentage, and this was previously asked in UPSC Civil Services Prelims 2020. Let's look into that. A 25% hike in the price of rice per kg allows a person to purchase 6 kg less for 1200. What was the original price? Okay, to give a high level understanding, the price of rice per kg it's increasing by 25%. That's what hike means. And because of that, a person who was buying rice for 1200 rupees, he was able to buy only 6 kgs less because of the increase in price. So they want to know the original price. Before we look into the solution, I would like to show how this question is generally solved in the traditional formula based approach. For your reference, I have collected couple of solutions from the internet. As you could see here, so one on the left I took it from Google, and one on the right I refer to ChatGPT. When you look at the similarities among these solutions, they are considering the original price as X. When the since there is a 25% hike, one side they say it's 1.25x, the other side 125x. They put it into an equation and then they derive these answers. A person who is trying to understand the solution, does it sound complicated by following this approach? Let me suggest a more simple and practical approach for you to follow. So, as you can see in the question, the price of 1 kg of rice, it's getting increased by 25%. So, price of 1 kg of rice. In reality, what would be the average number you could think in your mind? Something 50, something like that. Okay, I'll go with the number 40. Okay, so the amount the person has in his pocket is 1200. Okay, So if you want to find how much kilograms he could have bought with that 1200 is, so it's 1200 by 40, that is 30. Okay, so now the price of rice is increasing by 25%. What will happen to 40? It will become 50. You can ask me, how is that? 40 is nothing but 10, 10, 10, another 10. So, why I represented in this way? Each 10 represents 25% of the value. So, if you add it up, it's 425%, that is 100% of the value. So, now if the price is increasing by 25%, so 40 will become 50. Okay, so what happens to the number of kilograms he could buy? So he has 1200, that's not going to change. So when you divide it by 50, you would get 24 kilograms, and it is exactly 6 kgs less. See, with this, with the solution that you have arrived, I'm pretty sure the original price is 40. Let's glance into our solutions, what we have in hand. See, the original price is 40. I understand, like, you could ask a simple the might you might ask, hey, you already know the answer, so it's easy to make up these numbers. But all I can say is, I realized this kind of an approach, and I trusted this process over the years, and I was a very I did achieve success with this. And over the years, actually, the process helped me feel better and better in solving these problems, and I was feeling very confident in approaching a given question. And even uh, in addition to that, it helped me in a lot of aspects in my life. And the overall objective behind this channel is to educate a lot of uh, aspirants who are trying to compete in the competitive exams and crack the examinations. So I would certainly want to be a helping hand for those aspirants. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.